Hello guys, good morning, good morning. Ayan. Ito yung mic ko. Ayan, nandito tayo ngayon sa Bana Hills. Ayan, Bana Hills. So, this is a very exciting day because we will be riding in a cable car. Ayan. So, kanina nakita ko cable car eh. Ganun pala. Nasa gilid ng bundok. Ayan, so we are excited to see and to experience cable car. My first ever experience.
If you want to go CR, please go CR over here.
Yung CR daw doon.
About 9:35. Please come back
9:35.
here.
95.
5 minutes.
5 minutes only? Okay. Sige, so we have 5 minutes guys to explore this place before we take the ride for the cable car.